In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can apply for a CIBC Student Credit Card easily. First is to access their site, which is cibc.com, and then after accessing their site, you will notice this credit cards tab here. Now click this or hover into it until you see the student cards here. Click these student cards, and then this will redirect you into this page where you have to scroll a little until you see all these options. Well, you have 4 different options for your applications, which are the Aventura, Aeroplan, Dividend, and lastly is the Classic Visa card. So if you have finally decided to take a card, just click the Apply Now. And for this video, I like to take the Aeroplan. Click the Apply Now. And this will redirect you into the qualification page where it will explain you what are the things that you'll be needing for the qualification of your application. First is you must be living in Canada and you are a permanent resident. Next is you must reach the age of majority. And lastly is you must have a government issued ID. Now once you have prepared these qualifications, just click the start your application and then click the no continue since we don't have any existing CIBC account. Now scroll a little until you see the continue button here. Now just input your first name and also your last name and your email address. And then just click the next button. Now this is the most important part of this application where you have to input the personal information about you since these things should match into your ID or the government issued ID. And once done and filling this up, you can now click the apply button here or the submit button and make sure that you agree to the terms and conditions of CIBC. And that's how you can apply for a student credit card in CIBC easily. And thank you for listening.